Most of the disease of sheep are seen in goats also. PPR, ET, goat pox, FMD, HS, anthrax, etc. are common. Vaccines are available for all these diseases. Prepare a schedule of vaccination and follow it without fail. Hence, the stall-fed goats escape most of these diseases. Treat incidental health problems like cold, cough, fever, wound, etc. as and when required. PPR and ET vaccines are compulsory twice a year for stall-fed goats. Put first dose of PPR vaccine by 2 to 2.5 months to the kid. Booster dose after 17 to 21 days is also necessary. Give first dose of ET vaccine at 2 months stage. Booster dose after 17 to 21 days may also be given. Put HS vaccine to the kid at 3 months stage. Give 1 dose of PPR vaccine and 2 doses of ET and HS vaccines per year for adult goats. Foot and mouth disease or FMD is more common in goats than sheep. Put FMD vaccines twice a year in outbreak areas. Goat pox is also a dangerous disease. This vaccine once in a year is necessary in infested areas. Makreshwara Goat Research Station of Uttar Pradesh has developed a trial vaccine for goat pox and is found effective. Avoid entry of diseases while bringing goats from other farms and regions. The possibility and intensity of these diseases vary from region to region. Hence, it is better to consult an expert veterinarian of the locality while planning vaccination schedule. Mastitis is one more major problem of goats. Take out the surplus milk and avoid the possibility of mastitis. Regular vaccination avoids all these diseases in stall-fed goats. Goat is a fast-growing animal. It gains 4 kilograms per month in stall feeding with nutritious food and good management. This speed of growth is up to 6 to 8 months age. The meat quality is excellent at 7 to 8 months stage or at 20 to 25 kilogram body weight. Hence, it gets a premium price and demand. Aged goat yields fibrous hard meat. Dressed meat percentage is less in goats used for breeding. Hence, 8-month age is the right stage for culling. A live goat gets half the price of the dressed meat. That means, if the meat price is Rs 250 per kilogram, live goat gets 125 to 150 rupees per kilogram body weight. Breed, age, body condition, and customer's choice, etc. decide the price of the goats.